In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add templates in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find templates, how to add them by category, and how to switch between the ones you create so your workflow stays fast and consistent. Start by opening your Perplexity account in your browser or the app. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Having your account open is all you need to get started, and everything we're doing happens right inside the interface you already use. Next, click Spaces. Think of Spaces as your organized home base for projects and reusable workflows. It's where you group related work, keep things tidy, and easily access the tools that help you repeat good results. Opening Spaces ensures that your templates live in a place that's easy to find later. Inside Spaces, click Template. This is the area dedicated to creating and managing reusable starting points. Templates save you from rewriting the same instructions, context, or structure every time. If you often repeat a type of request, a template captures it so you can apply it in seconds. Here, you'll see categories you can add. Simply click the category that matches what you want. Categories help you keep templates organized by purpose, so you can separate research flows from writing, analysis from brainstorming, and more. When you add a category, you're setting yourself up to find things faster and keep related templates grouped together. You can add more if you prefer. If your work spans multiple use cases, create as many categories as make sense for you. This is especially helpful if you manage different kinds of projects or collaborate across topics. The key is to make categories that reflect how you actually work, so you can get to the right template without thinking twice. And you can switch between those different templates that you create. When you're working inside Spaces, move from one template to another as your task changes. This flexibility means you don't have to start from scratch. Just select the template that fits the moment and continue. Switching keeps momentum high and maintains consistent structure and tone across your work. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Give templates clear names so you can recognize them at a glance, keep categories distinct so nothing gets lost, and revisit your setup occasionally to refine what you use most. Little improvements over time make a big difference. That's it. Open your Perplexity account, click Spaces, click Template, choose categories to add, and create as many as you need, knowing you can switch between them whenever you like.